Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the T-7000 Black Adhesive Sealant, a 15 milliliter bottle of pure repair magic that's about to become your go-to product for all kinds of fixes. Whether you're a phone repair enthusiast, a DIY crafter, or someone who just needs a reliable adhesive, this T-7000 is seriously impressive. Let me start with the basics. This is a professional-grade adhesive sealant that comes in a sleek black color, making it perfect for dark surfaces and seamless repairs. The 15 milliliters bottle is the ideal size, not too big, not too small, and it'll last you through multiple projects. Now, what makes this adhesive special? First, it's specifically formulated for phone repairs. If you're dealing with broken screens, cracked back glass, or loose components, this T7000 creates a strong, flexible bond that holds up to daily wear and tear. The consistency is perfect, thick enough that it won't run everywhere, but smooth enough to apply precisely. One of my favorite features is its versatility. Beyond phone repairs, this adhesive works amazingly for touchscreen bonding, securing rhinestones and decorative elements, and assembling phone modules. That's huge for anyone working on multiple types of projects. The black color blends seamlessly with most phone components, which is a nice touch for professional-looking repairs. The curing time is reasonable. It sets quickly but gives you enough working time to position components properly. Once it dries, you get a permanent waterproof seal that won't weaken over time. That's crucial for phone repairs where moisture could otherwise cause damage. Application is straightforward too. The bottle design allows for controlled dispensing, so you won't waste product or create messy spills. A little goes a long way with this stuff, which means your 15 milliliters bottle will handle quite a few repairs. If you're serious about phone repairs, jewelry work, or precision bonding projects, the T7000 Black Adhesive Sealant is absolutely worth having in your toolkit. It's reliable, professional grade, and affordable. If you found this review helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you'd use this adhesive for. Thanks for watching.
Gonna be drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the